has so far registered 1,215,507 candidates for the KCPE, when compared to the 1,191,752 1,191,752 candidates in 2020. That marks an increase of 2.75%. In KCSE, we have registered 831,015 candidates compared to 752,981 in 2020.
I want to confirm to you this morning that the examination has not leaked and that the first exam shall be seen after it has left the container. There are a few of those crooks who are still trying. If you are stupid and you want to buy, go and buy. But I want to confirm to you that you shall not be buying our exams. For the 0.001% of the center managers who are actually teachers, don't dare, because we shall know where you have opened. These duties are not delegatable. Let us be very clear here. You don't delegate a junior officer to be going to open the container for you. If you think you are too important, tell us now so that we get somebody else who is as stupid as we are, who will go and open the containers with us. In the event that you are unwell, or if there is a very extraneous issue, let it be escalated to the very highest level.